So in this Canva tutorial video, I want to show you guys how to create a QR code here in Canva. So first thing you have to do is go to the left hand side of the screen right here. I want you to press on apps. Then I want you to scroll all the way down. Scroll all the way down to where it says popular. I want you to press on QR code if it's not there. You can also go to where it says create something new. And you can press on the QR code right here. It doesn't really matter. They're the exact same thing. So I'm just going to press on QR code. It says add QR codes to your designs. I'm just going to go ahead and press use. Now to make this QR code work, you actually have to type in a URL. So let's just say, for example, I want to type in www dot whatever. It doesn't really matter. You can press QR code right here, generate QR code. Then all of a sudden to your design, you have a QR code so that anytime you press on this, it is then going to redirect you to the website that you added in the URL area. But for this example, I only added www dot, so there's not going to be actually redirection for me. But let's just say, for example, you want to include a YouTube video. Just type in the URL to this YouTube video, press generate QR code, and that's how you can create a QR code here on Canva. Now, if you want to save this, make sure you guys save this as a PDF file. So go to share right here, go to where it says download. Don't save it as a PNG, it's not going to work. Instead, save it as a PDF standard or PDF print, but PDF standard is the best one because it's more for digital documents, and that's going to be the best thing for you. So if you're going to save this as a document, make sure it is a PDF standard, or else the QR code's not going to work. So I hope this video helped. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.